Hi everyone, it's Jamie here. I wanted to film this little video because I just received this awesome box of yarn from MakerU. You get this as a free gift when you sign up for MakerU for their crochet and knitting classes. I have no idea what's in it other than I know that there's $100 worth of fancy yarns in here. I think it's pretty cool, and what an amazing deal. So I'm pretty excited to check this out. I haven't opened this yet, but I feel like a little kid on Christmas Day. I've already broken the seal here, but let's see. I'm gonna open this up. Oh my goodness. Can you see that? Wow, look at all those colors. Wow, this is beautiful. This is actually, I have to say, quite impressive. So let me see if I can go through this a bit with you guys so you can see what kind of yarn we've got in here. Well, first thing I can tell you is my daughter is going to be thrilled. Her favorite color is purple. Look at all this purple yarn. Okay, so I think I'm just going to start pulling them out and showing you what I've got here. Let's see. This one is karaoke. I guess that's how you say it. And it is, let's see. It is a soy silk and wool mix. And it looks like it has, let me see, about 100 meters worth of yarn. So, you know, that's a fair bit, but look at, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these balls of yarn. These are awesome. I love it. They're really soft. And I like that it's actually, it looks like the fibers kind of have slightly different shapes, so I think that'll give it a really nice texture with it being kind of thinner in some areas and thicker in the other. That's going to be excellent. Okay, yep, my daughter will love this one too. This is karaoke again, and let me see what this one is. So this is also a soy silk and wool mix. I've never used this type of yarn before. I'm really excited to be able to try some new yarns that I haven't had experience with before, just to see how they work up and how they wash and wear. So very exciting. Next, ooh, look at this. This is fancy. I'm not sure if you can see this, but it's actually got like a metallic type of fiber in it. It's called Ava, and it's from Classic Elite Yarns, and it is wool, viscose, and metallicized polyester. You know what? Looking at this right away, I can tell you I have some ideas for this. I think I would like to do a shawl. I've been wanting to do a shawl or a wrap for a while, so I think this would be perfect for that. And again, look at how many balls we have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, and my cat Milo has decided to check out the yarn box too. Oh, cats and yarn. They can't help themselves. So, sorry, Milo, get out of the box. He always has to be the center of attention. Okay, so the next thing I have is Cascade. Now, I have used Cascade yarn before, and I love it. It's one of my favorites. Let's see. This one is called Sunseeker. Sorry. I have to get Milo out of this picture. Okay, here we go. Back to the unboxing. Okay, so, oops, I'm going to take this apart. But this one is a Cascade yarn, Sunseeker, and it, again, I don't know if you can see, but it also has this really beautiful, subtle, metallic look to it, and I really like that subtlety in it. Let's see if I can see, get some of the particulars. So it's a cotton, acrylic, and metallic yarn, and it's 273 yards, which is actually a fair bit. You can probably make quite a bit with this. It's machine washable. Ooh, love machine washable. That's awesome. And then it looks like we got a beautiful blue in that color as well. Or sorry, in that brand as well. I love it. Okay, last one. Let's see what we've got. Here is another Cascade. Ooh, I love my Cascade. This is Cascade Avalon, and it's a 50% cotton and 50% acrylic. And it's actually super soft. I could see a few things that I'd like to make out of this. Like a little bag for my daughter. Again, sorry, I know my daughter plays a central role here in everything I make. And then finally at the bottom of the box, look at what we've got here. We've got the MakerU magazine. Now this is pretty cool. This is a pattern book and it comes with 27 easy to learn crochet patterns. Let's see if we can see. If you guys can see that. So this is samples from the community, the Facebook community for MakerU. Here's some of the projects that you can make in class. Ooh, I like the I can never say it. Amigurumi. I love those. Look at how cute those are. It'd be a perfect gift for, you know, if you're having a newborn baby in your family as your new grandchild. And then there's a blanket class. Fingerless gloves, can't go wrong with those. So this one is a knitting blanket class. I don't knit, but you know what? Maybe this is a good opportunity to start. And then, oh gosh, look at sweaters, another blanket. Look at these cute boots. This is awesome. Okay, so this just, I guess, shows what you can make, all the different projects. And then, oh, that's cool. Gives you the crochet abbreviations and knitting abbreviations. And then there's all the patterns at the back. Give you step by step on how to do them. This is great. Well, I've got to say I am pleasantly surprised. I can't believe I got all of these things for free. Like, this is ridiculous. I don't know why anybody wouldn't get in on this deal. It's amazing. Well, as you can see, I'm one happy girl. I hope you like this, and maybe you'd be interested in getting one of these boxes too and see what surprises are in store for you. Okay, bye.